healing virtue. You know, I'm feeling like you know, the reality of the Lord's person. Sometimes you can taste it. That's exactly what I want to Lord now. Help him up. Come help him, my dear brother from Brazil. Come. Okay, bring him close. What do you feel on you?
I felt the heat come into my body, and all of a sudden I was in pain, but then the heat came, the pain disappeared.
What did you feel now? Just seconds ago. You feel the heat.
The back was bothering me so much. It was hard for me to talk, hard for me to get up. While I was getting up, I pressed the sky.
Power. Just say, praise